Hello, options traders. Steve Gans here. So I'm sharing a concept trade with you. This is actually a trade that I am making myself personally. It is because I have an interest in owning some PayPal stock. So the reason that I'm looking at the trade I'm looking at, we can see here on PayPal that it's had a really big, what I'll call cup and then handle here recently. So this is a cup and handle pattern. Then it broke out higher, and now it is pulled back right to that handle. So that's a good potential place for an entry. So I could do a couple of things here. I could either just step right in and buy my shares of PayPal there if I want, or what I'm doing in my case is I'm going to sell some puts there. In this case, I'm just going to model selling a single put. I'm going to go out 35 days here in time to the July 18th monthly expiration. I'm going to sell the $67.50. Now I'm currently trading at $71. So in order for me to get assigned, this is going to have to drop roughly $3 more, $3.50 more than where it is right now. If that does not happen, I'm taking in $134 in credit. So if we don't get below my strike price here by my expiration date, I get to keep that $134, and I will go out and I'll repeat that same process here, in 30 days or so from now, as this is getting close to expiration. If I do get assigned, if I do end up owning PayPal, if PayPal drops to 67 and I get assigned those shares, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to start selling calls against that position, taking in premium, selling calls until that gets called away from me. This whole process is something called the wheel. I'll put a link. I'm not sure where it shows up here, but a link at the end of this video that will take you to my wheel video that explains a little more about that overall process. So that's it for now, everyone. Take care.